देखें आवाज़ आ रही? हाँ आई? We'll discuss about electrochemistry. Electrochemistry basically is an application of redox reaction. And we are discussing this topic at GCO levels or at IGCSE level. Same topic is taught at A levels as well, bit more advanced. But here, quite basics are touched. I said electrochemistry is an application of redox reactions. You'll find out in electrochemistry there are two cells operating, electrolytic cell and electrochemical cell. Both cells contain electrodes, a positive electrode and a negative electrode. And you'll find out that at both positive and negative electrodes certain reactions occur. But these reactions are redox reaction. Always at cathode you'll find out whether it is electrolytic cell or electrochemical cell. At cathode gain of electron will occur. We call it as cathodic reduction. And anode of both cells you'll find out that loss of electron occurs, oxidation occurs. And here we'll see each and every case in detail, but electrolytic cell has some wonderful application, and there are electrochemical industries, electrolytic industries operating through electrolytic cells. The most common apps in the industrial units they are the backbone of a country's economy because they extract metals from their ores. Like we need sodium metal. Nowhere in the world sodium metal can be present in the original form because such a reactive thing. We need to keep it under kerosene oil once we get the pure form of it. Or when it is obtained, electrode is specially designed to get sodium mixed in it, amalgamated with mercury and later on separated out and kept away from air and moisture. Such a reactive metal. But it is not present in the nature as such. It is present in the ore form. And electrolytic cells are there, designed such that sodium chloride changes to pure sodium and chlorine gas in addition. Chlorine has so many uses, okay? Especially the disinfectant, the germicide, the water purifier has saved more lives, it is said, than any other medicine ever. So wonderful applications of extracting metals from their ore. Aluminum, we have huge need of aluminum used for aircrafts and constructions and plenty of other purposes we'll see in detail. But aluminum is obtained from aluminum oxide, bauxite, not in the genuine form it is. Electrolytic cell is there to do this somehow for you, for us, that turning white ash powder, just like talcum powder, aluminum oxide, into pure aluminum. Okay, so extraction of metals, especially the reactive metals, are extracted from their ores by electrolysis. Even the lead is extracted from its ore, mostly if it is lead bromide or lead chloride, by its electrolytic method, lead bromide. Okay. Now, certain chemicals are prepared by this method, like brine, concentrated sodium chloride solution. When it is electrolyzed, it gives us caustic soda, NaOH, largely used for many detergents and soaps. Okay, the caustic soda, same caustic potassium chloride can be electrolyzed. We get chlorine by this method, and these industries, down cell industries, brine cell industries, they produce chlorine gas and hydrogen gas as well. Okay, and then many impure metals are basically turned to pure form by electrolysis. Okay, like impure copper 96% may be good for making cooking utensils, but it's not good for electrical conductivity because the impurity is present and there will cause a resistance to the electron flow, and that will create damage. Electroplating, another very useful application of electrolytic cells, is that many inferior objects are there and they can be electroplated with some superior ones, like with gold, with nickel, with copper. So their looks become fine, they become more durable, they become resistant to corrosion, and they are long lasting, okay, and presentable as well, affordable as well, because pure copper thing you can't afford, but electroplated. Pure gold thing possibly is expensive, but electroplated is there. So electrolytic cell will do all this for us. Extractions of metal, preparation of chemicals, impure metals to pure metals, and electroplating. Electrochemical cells, on the other hand, are equally important, maybe more in the modern day, because we are changing into the hybrid world where we need the cells, and we need basically the cells for our mobiles, for our laptops, so many other gadgets, okay? And we need the cells for the cars, hybrid cars, and we need plenty of them. Even from 18th century, electrochemical cells were prepared by Volta first, where the artificial current, portable current, voltaic cells, okay? Not much common these days, but then rechargeable batteries, plenty of other cells are there. Much you will learn in your A levels, but at GC O levels you'll find that we need to learn about voltaic cells, and we need to learn about the fuel cells. I call them future cells, because hydrogen fuel cells are used these days, and they are coming more and more common, and definitely they'll be used in the future a lot, okay? So we'll see all these things in detail.